Right, hello and welcome back to Cars and Engineering. Today's video is a thank you video. Thank you for 500 subscribers. We hit it last Thursday. This is the first opportunity I've had to say thank you on camera. So thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you for believing in the channel. Hopefully this is 1,000 soon, and then 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, etc. This is a good little setup I've got going. There's a lot of future plans in motion right now, ready to secure the future of the channel. But yeah, thank you for 500 subs. Hopefully I'll be doing another one at 1,000. I might even do a giveaway. I'll look into it, look into the details and everything, and obviously and what is currently going on with the world. It might stop me from doing that, but I will look into it, see what I can do. If I can do something, I'll announce it on the channel, obviously. But you know, thank you very much. It's very appreciated that 500 people believe in me. I got an email from YouTube saying that is enough to fill a jumbo jet. So knowing that a jumbo jet full of people like watching my videos is quite humbling, really. But yeah, thank you for the fourth or fifth time now. Thank you very much. Hope you carry on enjoying my content. If you haven't subscribed, then please do get subscribed, because this is going to the moon, hopefully. Yeah, so anyway, take care, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one.